Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating contaminants because adhesion fails on oil and rust. First, abrade both mating surfaces with 80-120 grit to create mechanical grip. Wipe with solvent and let it evaporate. Once dry, check your environment. 15-25 degrees and moderate humidity improve cure. Next, mix the metal repair adhesive exactly to the manufacturer ratio on a clean disposable board and stir until streak-free. This activates the chemistry that provides strength. Make sure to work quickly. Many adhesives begin curing in minutes. Once mixed, apply the adhesive evenly where the load will transfer so stress distributes across the repair rather than concentrating at a point. Press parts together or add a backing plate when gap filling. Use a temporary support to hold geometry. Make sure to remove excess within the working time with a plastic tool, shaping the fillet to avoid sharp transitions that concentrate stress. Then clamp or fixture to maintain consistent pressure for the full initial set. It ensures intimate contact and you must let the adhesive cure undisturbed for the full time specified. Partial cures are weak. Once fully cured, remove clamps, sand starting with 120 grit to blend, then finish as needed. If paint or corrosion protection is required, prime after full chemical cure. If the bond looks compromised or fails, stop, re-clean both surfaces, re-abrade to bare metal, and reapply adhesive or switch to a higher strength or temperature-rated product. Troubleshoot by checking cure conditions and mixing accuracy first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.